Welcome to Sargodha, a city nestled in the heart of Punjab, Pakistan. Known as the City of Eagles, Sargodha is a tapestry woven from threads of rich cultural heritage and stunning natural beauty. Join us as we embark on a journey to uncover the secrets that make this city a unique and fascinating destination. Our exploration begins in the heart of Sargodha, where the legacy of empires past lingers in the weathered stones of the Sargodha fort. This silent sentinel, bearing witness to the ebb and flow of centuries, whispers tales of battles fought and won. Sargodha is known as the citrus capital of Pakistan.
Vast orchards, laden with juicy oranges and grapefruits, paint the landscape in vibrant hues of green and gold. The air, heavy with the sweet perfume of citrus blossoms, is a sensory reminder of the city's agricultural prowess.
This deep connection to the land is further evidenced by the intricate network of canals that crisscross the region.
Among these, the shrine of Baba Nur Shah stands as a beacon of faith, drawing pilgrims from far and wide who come to pay their respects and seek blessings from the revered saint. Here, amidst the murmur of prayers and the scent of incense, one can truly feel the pulse of Sargodha's spiritual heart.
Venturing beyond the city's limits, we embark on a journey that takes us into the heart of nature's splendor. We find ourselves enveloped by a landscape painted in hues of emerald and sapphire, where every shade of green and blue seems to tell a story of its own. Fields of wheat and cotton stretch as far as the eye can see, their golden and white expanses merging with the horizon, rippling in the gentle breeze like a verdant ocean. The sight is both humbling and awe-inspiring, a testament to the land's fertility and the hard work of its farmers.
This is a land where life-giving water courses through a network of rivers and canals, sustaining the fields and the communities that depend on them. Their sparkling ribbons reflecting the azure sky above, these waterways are the lifeblood of the region. The Chenab River, a major tributary of the mighty Indus, meanders through the region, its banks fringed with lush vegetation that provides a haven for wildlife. The river's gentle flow and the greenery along its banks create a serene and picturesque landscape.
It is here, amidst the whispering reeds and the dappled sunlight filtering through the canopy, that we may catch a glimpse of Sargodha's namesake, the majestic eagles. These magnificent birds, with their powerful wings and sharp eyes, are a symbol of freedom and strength. Soaring high above the plains, their keen eyes scanning the landscape below, these eagles are ever watchful, embodying the untamed spirit of the region. Their presence is a reminder of the wild beauty that still thrives in these lands.
And nowhere is this more evident than in the Chiniot forest, a verdant oasis on the outskirts of Sargodha. Here, amidst the cool shade of ancient trees, one can escape the hustle and bustle of city life and immerse oneself in the tranquility of nature. The forest is a sanctuary, offering a peaceful retreat where the only sounds are the rustling of leaves and the calls of birds. Walking along its serene trails, one can feel a deep connection to the natural world. The forest floor, carpeted in a mosaic of fallen leaves, is alive with the rustle of small creatures going about their daily business. Deer graze peacefully in sun-dappled clearings, while monkeys swing through the branches overhead, their playful chatter echoing through the trees. This vibrant ecosystem is a testament to the resilience and beauty of nature, a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life in all its forms. As we leave this enchanting place, we carry with us a renewed appreciation for the natural world and a sense of wonder at the intricate tapestry of life that surrounds us. The Chinio forest, with its rich biodiversity and serene beauty, stands as a testament to the enduring power of nature. Its preservation is not just a duty but a privilege, ensuring that future generations can also experience the magic of this natural haven.
Our journey now takes us west of Sargodha, towards the horizon where the land rises dramatically to meet the sky, creating a breathtaking view. Here, we encounter a geological marvel, a testament to the Earth's raw power and ancient history, the Salt Range. Stretching for over 300 kilometers, this ancient mountain range, formed millions of years ago from the evaporated remnants of a vast inland sea, is a sight to behold and admire.
Hidden within the heart of this geological wonder lies a subterranean treasure trove, the Cura salt mine, a marvel of nature. Stepping into this subterranean world is like stepping back in time, into a realm of history. For centuries, miners have toiled here, extracting the precious mineral that has brought flavor to food and prosperity to the region, shaping its culture.
But the Salt Range is not just a place of industrial significance, it holds much more. It is also home to sites of great historical and spiritual importance, such as Tilla Jogyan, a complex of Hindu temples perched precariously atop a hill overlooking the land. As we stand here, amidst these crumbling ruins, the wind whispering tales of forgotten rituals and ancient beliefs, we are reminded of the enduring power of the human spirit and the timeless allure of this remarkable land, rich in history. Sargodha experiences the embrace of a hot desert climate, where the sun reigns supreme, casting its golden rays upon the land. The relentless heat shapes the daily lives of its inhabitants, influencing their routines and traditions. The sun-drenched landscape with its golden hues tells a story of resilience and adaptation. The seasons waltz across the region, each leaving its own distinct mark on the landscape. From the scorching heat of summer to the refreshing rains of the monsoon, and the cool embrace of winter, Sargodha's environment is a testament to nature's ever-changing dance.
Summers arrive with a fiery intensity, the sun beating down from a cerulean sky, turning the land into a shimmering mirage. The heat is palpable, creating waves of distortion that dance on the horizon, making the landscape appear almost surreal. The air, thick and heavy, carries the scent of parched earth and the distant bleating of goats seeking shade under the few precious trees. The ground cracks underfoot, a testament to the relentless sun, while the animals huddle together, finding solace in the sparse shadows.
But even in the heart of summer, life finds a way. Farmers toil under the blazing sun, their determination unwavering. They work the fields, planting seeds of hope, knowing that the cycle of seasons will eventually bring relief. The resilient people of Sargodha have learned to adapt to this harsh environment, their lives intrinsically linked to the rhythms of nature. Their daily activities, from farming to tending livestock, are a testament to their enduring spirit and deep connection to the land.
Then, like a welcome guest, the monsoon season arrives, bringing with it the promise of life-giving rain. The first drops fall, and the earth sighs in relief, soaking up the moisture that will sustain it through the dry months ahead. The parched earth drinks deeply, transforming the landscape into a vibrant tapestry of green. Fields that were once barren burst into life with crops sprouting and flowers blooming, painting the region in a myriad of colors. Rivers and canals swell with rainwater, their currents carrying away the dust and grime of summer, leaving behind a sense of renewal. The waterways become lifelines, nourishing the land and its people, ensuring that life continues to thrive.
Winter descends upon Sargodha, draping the land in a soft, cool mist. The mornings are shrouded in fog, creating an ethereal atmosphere that transforms the familiar landscape into a mysterious wonderland. The air is crisp and clean, carrying the scent of wood smoke and the sweet fragrance of citrus blossoms. The cool weather brings a sense of calm and tranquility, a stark contrast to the intense heat of summer, reminding the people of Sargodha of the beauty and diversity of their homeland's climate. Life in Sargodha revolves around the land, its rhythms dictated by the ebb and flow of the seasons, the planting and harvesting of crops. The people here have a deep connection to the soil, a bond that has been nurtured over generations. Each season brings its own set of tasks and challenges, but also its own rewards and celebrations. And perhaps no event celebrates this connection more than the annual Citrus Festival. This festival is not just an agricultural event, it is a cultural phenomenon that brings the entire community together.
Held each year during the peak of the citrus harvest season, the festival is a riot of color, music, and aroma. The streets are adorned with vibrant decorations, and the markets are bustling with activity. Everywhere you look, there are stalls brimming with fresh citrus fruits, from oranges to grapefruits, each one a testament to the hard work of the farmers. The air is thick with the sweet scent of oranges, grapefruits, and mandarins, as farmers from across the region gather to display their produce. It's a sensory overload, with the bright colors of the fruits contrasting against the green of the fields and the blue of the sky.
The festival is a time for celebration, a time to give thanks for the bounty of the earth, and a time to revel in the fruits of one's labor. It's a moment when the community comes together to share in the joy of a successful harvest, to celebrate their shared heritage, and to look forward to the future with hope and optimism. But the Citrus Festival is more than just a celebration of agriculture. It is a showcase of the region's rich cultural tapestry, a vibrant expression of Sargodha's identity. It is also a vibrant expression of Sargodha's rich cultural heritage. Traditional music and dance performances fill the air with energy and excitement, while artisans display their crafts, adding a unique cultural dimension to the festivities. Traditional music and dance performances fill the air with energy and excitement, while artisans display their crafts. These performances and displays are not just for entertainment, they are a way of preserving and passing down the cultural traditions that make Sargodha unique.
Throughout the year, the agricultural heart of Sargodha beats strong. The fields are a constant hive of activity, with farmers tending to their crops with care and dedication. From the planting of the seeds to the harvesting of the crops, every step is imbued with a deep respect for the land, and a quiet pride in their role as stewards of this fertile region. This respect and pride are evident in every aspect of their work, from the careful preparation of the soil to the meticulous harvesting of the fruits. It is a way of life that is deeply rooted in tradition, yet always looking forward to the future. No exploration of Sargodha would be complete without savoring the flavors of its local cuisine, a cuisine as rich and diverse as the land itself. Here, fresh, seasonal ingredients take center stage, transformed into dishes that are both flavorful and nourishing.
One of the most iconic dishes of the region is sarson ka saag, a hearty mustard green stew, typically enjoyed with makki di roti, a flatbread made from cornmeal. The combination of the slightly bitter greens and the sweet, earthy flavor of the roti is simply irresistible.
And of course, no meal in Sargodha is complete without a generous serving of the region's famed citrus fruits. As our journey through Sargodha draws to a close, we are left with a profound appreciation for this remarkable city. Sargodha is a place where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony, where the echoes of history mingle with the rhythms of modern life. It is a city that nourishes both body and soul, a place where the land yields its bounty freely, and where the people welcome visitors with open arms and warm smiles. So, if you seek an authentic Pakistani experience, a journey that will engage your senses and nourish your soul, then look no further than Sargodha.